Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Paint 3D now and choose New or Load a file. Don't stall. Set your canvas size in pixels or inches and lock the aspect ratio when precision matters, because consistent dimensions avoid distortion later. Once done, import your base image via menu insert, then drag the corner handles to scale. Make sure the image sits on the layer you intend to edit. Keep snap and grid off for free placement, and on if you need rigid alignment. Add a 3D object or convert a 2D shape to 3D to build depth. Rotate on X, Y, Z axes and nudge position with the arrow keys for precision. Then switch to Paint Tools. Choose a brush, pick texture, set opacity and blending to integrate colors. This is how surfaces look realistic. Meanwhile, refine 2D elements with Select or Magic Select to isolate parts, then crop and arrange layers. Once aligned, use smooth and depth settings to remove jagged edges and blend seams. Finish by exporting in the format you need: PNG for transparency, JPEG for small files, or 3MF for 3D printing. Make sure to toggle background transparency when required. Then optimize, reduce resolution or compress to cut file size, and preview at target display size. If something breaks, layers missing, textures gone, first undo recent steps, then reset the canvas or reopen the project file. If problems persist, save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.